Yeah, it's just going to be a quick video to see if anybody else is having this problem with their Sceptre TV. It's just too bright. Um, Basically, it's just too bright. It's just a bright TV, and I want to know how to turn this thing down, so I'm going to show you guys. Okay, basically I have it turned all the way down right now. Here's the Sceptre remote, and here's the volume down button, and it's this second one's the source, this one's menu, this top one on the top row, menu, and then yeah, sound. Just go ahead and hit the center button is enter. It's already on it there on picture, so I'll go back. It's on picture, just select it, select, then picture settings, just hit select again. It's already on it, and then go down one to brightness, and so you just use the arrows, go down one to brightness, whoops, menu, okay, and then oh yeah, you just hit enter, and then there's a little menu on the bottom, right there on the very bottom. It says 3. Okay, use the arrows. You can turn up the brightness on it. Just hold it down. It's on 20, 25, 30. See the scepters coming up on the bottom now? And normally it's on like 50. It's like super bright. And that's okay on some things, but I just enjoy watching it like on 0. And it's, you know, it's such a large TV. It's plenty bright enough normally. It doesn't give you a headache, and I don't know, it's just more enjoyable just to watch it on 0 brightness. So leave me a comment and a like if this helps, and if you have the same problem with this. With these, I think it's just in general, these LED and these larger TVs, they just put, it's like a giant light bulb. You know, I mean, it's good that it's LED, but yeah, you definitely want to turn it down a little bit. And then if you need to turn it up a little bit, that's not a big deal. On some things, you just need a little more contrast, and you can see more color and everything. Like you see, you can't really see the contrast on some of this stuff until you go over it. Like this looks kind of dark until you go over to it. But anyway, yeah, it's just nice to kind of watch it a little less bright there. So anyway, thanks for watching.